Did you own some dogs and cats on that date and time, ma'am?
I have only one dog and 3 cats. There are a couple strays that come around, but I do have them fixed. I did that trap and release with the cats out here in the neighborhood. When they come, I have trapped them and I have released them.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Investigator Hoskins, badge number 44 with the City of Detroit Animal Control.
Very well. All right. Have we come to a resolution, at least in the dog cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What would that resolution be, Ms. Siroki?
The people have made an offer. My client would plead to the violation for having over 2 pets, and the other tickets are all being dismissed, and she would stipulate to probable cause regarding those dismissal matters.
How do you get a violation for having over 2 pets? Is that something I don't know about? There's a lot of.
No, she said that she has 3 cats and 1 dog, and at some point the law changed from having, I think, 4 to 2. I don't know when.
All right.
So
what do we know about that, Mr. Investigator Hoskins? That's all.
I'm sorry, what was that?
What is your understanding of the ordinance about having pets?
In September of 2020, the city limit was changed from 4 to 2. You're not allowed to have more than 2 animals of the same species over the age of 4 months at any single residence.
Whoa. That sounds kind of restrictive there, doesn't it?
Well, and then she had the pets. She had 3 cats prior to that law changing, so she has the same pets she had at that time.
So if I have 3 dogs, I'm in violation of the law?
That's correct.
Huh?
Wow.
That's why people, good morning to you. That's why people need to vote and go to the legislator and stuff like that. If you want to change that, it's possible. I think that's kind of like, all right. And you want to plead to this, right, Ms. Ozentowski? What is this, having over 2 dogs or cats?
Yes.
What does the one do? What do you have to do? Did you get rid of them?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I guess I don't, want to ask you that and just try to implicate you on anything further, but it's like you have 3 dogs, or 2 cats and 2 dogs, and then the law changes in September 2020, correct? As you understand it, Investigator Hoskins, to only have 2 pets of the same species. So that would be, you could have 2 cats and 2 dogs, but you couldn't have 3 dogs, correct?
Correct.
And so what does one do if they've always had 3 dogs? And
There's a grandfather clause, but it's only if you had up to 4 dogs licensed prior to the law change in September 2020. Considering the non-compliance rate for dog licensing, almost no one is grandfathered in.
I was going to say that. No? All right, and we're past the time for any other officers to come in. Are any other officers here on Ozentowski, particularly Officer Kimberly Wright? So raise your right hand, Ms. Ozentowski. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down, please. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Well, I'm going to say 90 days for this because it's a city ordinance. 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
And Ms. Siroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about it?
No, I don't.
By taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, are we only pleading to this one case
Yes, Your Honor.
and the other cases dismissed?
Correct, Your Honor.
And I'm gonna take this under a delayed sentence. I'm gonna dismiss as charged upon payment.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can she, she's under a illness, Your Honor, so can she have a little time to pay, please?
Absolutely. I'll draw your attention back to August the 17th, 2023. At around 11 a.m. in the city of Detroit and on Tedford Street, did you own some dogs and cats on that date and time, ma'am?
I have only one dog and 3 cats. There are a couple strays that come around, but I do have them fixed. I did that trap and release with the cats out here in the neighborhood. When they come, I have trapped them and I have released them. But they don't stay here. There was 2 cats that was hanging around here, which belonged to a lady over on Runyon. She named them, but I told her, you know, your cats hang out here, you're outdoors, and I've got them fixed. But right now they're no longer here. The guy next door has been sticking his dogs on my property and killed the cats. I've had the police here. So the 2 cats that were outside are no more longer here.
This ticket says 4 cats inside. Buddy, Baby Doll, Little Man, and I can't read the other name. Starts with an M, it appears. And 2 dogs. And 2
I have
outside.
owned 1 dog. I don't know where they got 2 dogs. I have never owned 2 dogs.
And 2 outside named Georgette and Big Daddy. Total of 6 cats.
No, they were the outside ones.
You have 4 of them yourself, right?
What's that?
You had Buddy, Baby Doll, Little Man, and another one that starts with an M.
Yeah, muchachas. The one older cat just passed away. So I'm 3 cats. And my 1 dog. I've only had 1 dog, sir.
Okay, so that still be in violation of the city ordinance.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna find you guilty as charged. I'm gonna fine you $240, and I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matters. Ms. Soroka.
So stipulated, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
And SP 101-3956, count 1, 2, and 3, and SP 101-40071, Officer Kimberly Wright. No response. I'll dismiss those on the court's own motion for no officer. What time do you need to pay this $240, Ms. Oswald?
Okay, thank you. Can I pay on the 3rd of next month when I get my check?
Yeah, 8/5. I'm gonna give you 30 days. August the 5th, 2024. Come on back. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you to div that app to your phone. Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I wish you the best of luck. I'm praying for you to get your health back in order, ma'am. And if there's nothing further, I'll see you back August the 5th. I'll dismiss the case if you've paid the fine, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Officer Hoskins, have a very good day. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.